date for online assignment submitted. So I am very busy yesterday evening
I
night.
was very busy
So
yesterday evening.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
So Alhamdulillah, yesterday submitted all assignment.
Okay, great. Congratulations. So now I was thinking like why you are absent because we have covered the first chapter and today we are going to cover the second chapter and after in on Monday there will be one test.
Monday test
Yes,
date.
Monday there is a test of first and second chapter.
Okay,
Yes, so we have to prepare for the test.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Sunday, Monday. Okay, okay.
Yes,
First
today
or
is
second?
Saturday, Sunday off, and Monday there will be one test of two chapters which we already read.
And Saturday? No.
Saturday means today is Saturday. Today we are taking classes.
Yes.
We are going to learn the second chapter.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I'm just seeing your message timetable.
Yes.
So Saturday revision day and Sunday off
Yes.
day.
Yes.
Uh,
Today is revision day. We are going to revise the second chapter.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
Uh,
Everyone join. We are going to start.
I think chapter yes second first chapter 0, chapter 1,
Chapter 0 you don't
chap
have to focus on. Just I have given the name chapter 0. There is only overview about the English. Okay. So we don't have to.
okay.
You have to just read it, and I'm not going to include it. From 1, from 1 and 2, we are going to conduct one test on Monday. Then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. There will be one test of two chapters.
Two chapters.
Yes. So now, like
One
I have designed a new curriculum of 6 months of spoken English. Like one, like for 4 5 months you have already completed. But like I have some new student in the academy, so I have launched new curriculum of spoken English for 6 months. I have designed and I have shared the curriculum. I don't know you have read it or not, you have gone through it or not, but I have shared. Okay. So after every two chapter, we are going to just conduct test.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi
Alaikum.
wa barakatuh. Mr. Abdurrahman, how are you?
I am fine. And
You
how
are
are you, my
five
brother?
minutes late. 5 minutes late.
5 minutes late.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we have to be on time. Just I was waiting 3 to 4 minutes. Anyone can join. Otherwise, we
Okay.
will start the class. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So everything is fine. Everything is good.
Alhamdulillah, everything is fine.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. So, should we start? I think it's 8:05.
Inshallah, we should start
Okay.
subject.
Be on time. Okay. So, let me share the screen. Then we are going to revise the second chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Let me and I will announce some more things. Okay. First, let me share. There are lots of students are missing, like Sheikh Asif and Gulfam. They are a regular student, but I don't know why they didn't join today. Fifth, sixth, fourth, three, two. Okay. So as you can see, Mr. Nur Muhammad, that was the first chapter, which was about the basics of English. Okay. So I have already shared
Yes.
everything. Chapter 1, Basics of English, which you have to read by yourself, because we have completed this chapter yesterday. Mr. Abdur Rahman
Okay,
was
okay, inshallah.
present in the class yesterday, so he knows everything very well. Chapter 1, Basics of English, and Chapter 2, How to Give Introduction in English. Today we are going to just read this chapter. So, and tomorrow is off day. Then on Monday, we are going to conduct one test, both the chapters, Basics of English and How to Give Introduction. And now I have decided, like, who is going to perform very well. I am going to recognize him with award, with certificate. Okay.
Oh,
So we, yes, so
inshallah.
we have to prepare very well, because in previous test what we were doing, just we were, I was sending MCQ test, and it was enough. But now we are going to categorize in three category: first, second, third, and we are going to distribute the certificate and some prizes also. So let's
Third,
start. Yes.
last.
Last, no, it will be first test.
No,
Okay.
prize distribute first.
Yes,
Third.
it will be first prize, which I am going to introduce.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yes, it was first. Let's see the second. Yes, second chapter we are going to start. We don't have to waste so much time. Now, chapter 2, how to give introduction in English. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to talk, or we are going to learn everything about the introduction. How many points are there, and how to introduce in family, with friends, in professional setting, everywhere we are going to see. So anyone can just start reading, like Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start reading. Giving an introduction in English
Okay,
means,
okay.
yes,
Giving an introduction in English means speaking about yourself in a clear, polite, and confident way. A good self introduction usually includes your name, place, class or job,
place,
family, habits,
place,
and a few. क्या?
your name, place.
Family, habit, your name, place, class or job, family, hobbies, and a few simple details about yourself.
Yes, that,
Introduction.
yes, introduction.
Introduction. Your introduction.
Introducing
Introducing.
yourself.
Introducing yourself is one of the first speaking skills every English learner should practice.
Practice.
It helps you start conversation,
Conversations. Yes.
answer conversation, answer questions, meet new people, and speak confidently in class,
Yes.
interviews, and daily life. Learn English learn English
Hmm.
क्या है tense
Yes.
Says
Tenses.
tense.
tenses.
Hmm.
A self introduction does not have to be long. It should be simple, natural, and easy to understand for beginners. A short introduction with correct grammar is better than a long introduction with many mistakes. What is an
Okay,
introduction?
okay, done, done,
An
great.
introduction.
Okay, okay, done. You read
Good.
very well. Okay, good. So we learn about the introduction. Okay, like introducing yourself, how, why it is important. Like introducing yourself, why it is important. Where we are going to use about it. So we learn in the introduction. Now we are going to see what is an introduction. Introduction क्या है? So, Mr. Noor Mohammed, you can read it, okay?
Uh, yes. What is an introductions? An introduction is a short speech of a paragraph in which a person talks other
Tells others.
basic information about himself.
Hmm.
Wait. Uh, is himself. In कहाँ पहुंच गया वो कॉल आ गई थी एक सॉरी
Okay,
himself or
in
him or herself in English this usually
hmm.
includes name age place school family hobbies like and future goals which
Yes. Okay.
to
So introduction क्या है उसको कैसे देना है? So we are going to, if someone is asking about the introduction, like give me your introduction or introduce yourself. So what you are going to tell to the other person? Like in English, this usually includes name, age, place, school, family, hobbies, likes. All the our future goals you can include. All these things we are going to tell in introduction if you are going to introduce yourself, okay? And simple meanings like who are you? Where are
who
you
are you
from? What do you do? What do you like? Okay, so we have to give the introduction of all these questions in our introduction. Okay, and these are the kinds of ideas used in a basic introduction. In basic introduction, we are giving the answers of all these questions. इन सारे questions का हम answer देते हैं introduction में. Simple. Now, why introduction is important? ठीक है? Hello, hello.
yes
So
clear
yeah,
clear
sorry for the interruption because there was an electricity cut. So I joined through my mobile. Okay.
oh okay
Yes. I don't know why every day after 8 p.m. they are cutting the electricity, then they are giving the water. Okay, so yes, we were reading. Where is it? Yes. So we are
No,
talking
share
about the
your
why
screen.
introduction is important. Okay.
Screen is not share.
My screen is not visible. Okay. Wait, what? 1 minute.
Clear.
Okay. So now we were reading about the introduction and what is an introduction and then why introduction is important. Okay. We were
Yes.
learning this. Yes. Now it's enough, I think. Okay. So why introduction is important? Let's read. Introduction is important because it helps other people know you. दूसरे लोग तुमको जानते हैं इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट इज यूजफुल इन स्कूल्स. स्कूल्स में ये यूजफुल है, इंटरव्यूज में ये यूजफुल है, मीटिंग्स में, न्यू क्लासेस में एंड सोशल सिचुएशंस में. ए गुड इंट्रोडक्शन क्रिएट्स ए पॉजिटिव फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? अगर आपको किसी ने बोला इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ इन फ्रेंड्स और एनी सेटिंग्स, सो इट क्रिएट्स ए पॉजिटिव वाइब्स अबाउट योर सेल्फ. Okay, it is called like a first impression is the last impression. What is this? What is the mean of this? This is the mean, like if someone is asking about your name or about you anything, how you are going to reply, what you are going to say to the other person. सो वाई इंट्रोडक्शन इज इंपॉर्टेंट? इंट्रोडक्शन इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आप इंटरव्यू में, मीटिंग में, क्लास में, सोशल सिचुएशन में कहीं भी खुद को आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो, है ना. नाउ इट ऑल्सो इंप्रूव स्पीकिंग कॉन्फिडेंस. when students practice self introduction regularly, they become more comfortable using English in real life. Okay, अगर कोई, if someone can introduce himself in English properly, so what do you think? He can just start speaking and he can also talk to the other person or not. वो दूसरे से बात भी कर सकता है कि नहीं? अगर इंट्रोडक्शन दे ले रहा है तो बात भी कर लेगा. करेक्ट.
Yes, yes, correct.
ओके. यस. सो इंट्रोडक्शन इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. नाउ बेसिक्स स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन. इंट्रोडक्शन के बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या हैं, वो यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंटर्स हैं. ठीक है, वो हम देखते हैं. यस मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान, यू कैन रीड इट. योर वॉइस इज नॉट, you are mute, I think.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can unmute, then you can speak.
Okay. A simple self introduction can follow this order.
Yes.
First, greeting. Second, name. Third, age. Fourth, place. Fifth, class or job. Six, family. Seven, hobbies. Eight, like and dislikes. Nine, future plan. 10, closing. Sentence.
Sentence, yes.
क्या लिखा? सेंटेंस से सेंटेंस. प्लान.
Done.
प्लांट्स.
Okay,
Park.
done. Great, amazing. So now we have to follow this simple introduction order, and you have to introduce yourself. Okay. Now suppose these are the pointers which we have to follow. Okay,
Point.
these are the pointers which we
Yes.
have to follow.
Here are 9
Yes,
points.
9 plan you can say, or like last is also important. Closing sentence. How you are going to close your introduction. So let's see
Yes.
how we are going to prepare our introduction. First, greeting. Like if you are going to introduce yourself, you have to see like what is the time. It is morning, afternoon, or evening. There may be three times. If you are going to give the introduction in the morning, so you will say, hello everyone, good morning. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hello, good evening. So this is a greeting. Okay.
This is
Now
a
after greeting, you will,
greeting.
yes, after greeting matlab, do you know about
Evening,
the
salam,
हाँ सलाम करना.
morning.
If
Yes.
Greeting
Hi.
means
Hello.
salam karna. Salute.
हाँ, yes. So greeting, if you are going to give your introduction in Islamic function, in not in company,
Yes.
so you will say Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes. But if you are going to give your introduction in front of the HR in the company, so you are not going to say Assalamu alaikum.
No. No. Good evening and good morning.
Yes.
Good
So
afternoon.
we
Good.
have to see the situation. Where
Yes.
am
Yes.
I and what I have to speak? So first you will say like hello, good morning. My name is Shafiq. Okay, my name is Shafiqur Rahman. Name, my name is Shafiqur Rahman. I am 29 years old. I am from Siddharth Nagar, UP, but currently I am living in Mumbai. Place. You're talking about your place. Now, class or job. Now I am working in Accenture as a content moderator in Mumbai office. I talk about my job, then family. So I have my father's name is Obaidur Rahman, and I have 5 siblings in my family, 4 brothers and 1 sister. It's enough. And hobbies. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are to read English books and record myself, and likes and dislikes. So if I talk about my likes, so I like to help poor people or needy people. And if I talk about my dislike, so if someone is torturing any child, so it's I dislike these things. And future plan. So if I talk about my future plan, so just I want to grow myself as a trainer, English trainer. This is the future plan. So that's all about myself. Thanks. This was the closing sentence. Like that's all about myself. Thanks. So do you understand?
Yes. I am understanding.
Yes.
So
Understand.
now, yes. So Mr. Abdurrahman is going to introduce himself like this in the sequence.
First of all, I want to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdurrahman,
Yes.
and my age is 28 years old.
Yes. I am
My
28
place is
years old, you can say.
uh, old.
Hmm.
My place is Rohtahar district, Nepal,
Yes.
and now I am living my village,
Yes.
Lakshmiya,
Yes.
uh, and I am working farmer.
Okay.
And
Yes.
there are 10 family, 10 members in our family. We have 5 siblings,
Yes.
My hobby is farming
Farming,
and
farming, yes, farming.
farming.
Yes,
Uh, you are we are doing farming in our fields
yes.
like that.
Farming, we have to use the verb, word
My
farming, farming. Yes.
my future plan is I want to be a good speaker English.
Okay, yes.
Okay, this much only.
Closing sentence.
Closing sentence. What do you mean closing sentence?
How you are going to close your introduction? Like, okay, so that's all about myself. So this,
Okay,
yes.
this much
Okay.
only.
Yes. So
Yes, okay.
it was great. Mr. Abdurrahman introduced himself very well, and I admired
Yes,
by him. Yes. So now Mr. Noor Muhammad is going to introduce in the same sequence. Yes. Let's
yes,
see.
yes.
Yes.
Uh, Good morning, sir.
Good
My name is
evening.
Noor Mohammed. Uh,
Yes.
I am 25 years old. Uh, I am I'm from Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Uh, I which class MA first year.
Okay.
Uh, my family is my six members. So I am uh, my family only six members.
Yes.
Mother, fathers, and two brothers, two sisters.
Okay.
Um, I like my hobbies is cricket and carom.
Okay.
I like tea, coffee. I dislike uh, smoking and drink.
Okay.
My future and PhD scholar and professor. Uh, Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Closing से-
Great. Amazing. Done.
मतलब लास्ट में क्लोजिंग सेंटेंस में सिर्फ थैंक यू कह सकते हैं, थैंक यू सर.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you is also a one closing sentence.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you भी closing sentence है ठीक है. So yes, you also I spoke very well, and this is a done part.
ये बहुत
So
अच्छी.
you have to
जी
write.
सर,
Yes.
ये बहुत अच्छा एकदम सीक्वेंस से है, बहुत अच्छा. ये तो इंट्रोडक्शन है, मतलब देने में घबराते थे कि कैसे बोलेंगे, क्या पहले लाएं क्या बाद में. ये देख के एकदम 10th लेवल ये बड़ा मस्त लगा के, इससे कोई भी कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं अगर एक दो बार पढ़ लो.
हाँ, आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे सारा दिया हुआ है डिटेल्स. आपको क्या करना है, इसी
हाँ
से ग्रीटिंग, आपको यही पॉइंट याद रखना है बस.
बस. हाँ.
यस, ग्रीटिंग, नेम, एज, प्लेस, क्लास, फैमिली, हॉबी, लाइक, डिसलाइक, फ्यूचर प्लान, क्लोजिंग सेंटेंस खत्म. सो नाउ you have to write on your notebook. Okay. You have to just write the points, then you have to make your introduction in one page. It's enough, because there will be in test there will be one question. You have to make, you have to record your video to giving your introduction.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, and it will be 20 marks.
50 marks.
Yes, this will be like 20 marks. How you are going to give your introduction, how you are speaking, how you are sitting, what is your body language, everything.
Yes.
Yes. Now example, there is a one example structure which I already we have introduced ourselves, so we it is not like good morning. My name is Ria. I am 12 years old. I am from Delhi. I studied in class 6. I have one brother. Everything we just we given our introduction. So need no need. This is the only one example. Okay. So greetings, greeting means like a good introduction often begins with a greeting. The greeting should match the time or situation, which already tell like कौन से टाइम में आप दे रहे हो. जैसे नूर मोहम्मद ने अभी मॉर्निंग बोल दिया था गलती से, तो आपको इवनिंग बोलना है. ठीक है.
यस यस यस, सॉरी।
सो कॉमन ग्रीटिंग्स, लाइक ग्रीटिंग्स में क्या हो सकता है? गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, हेलो और हाय। ठीक है, हेलो ये फॉर्मल सेटिंग में आपको बोलना है, और हाय आपको फ्रेंड्स में बोलना है। आर यू अवेयर अबाउट इट?
हेलो किस में बोलना चाहिए, हाय किस में?
हेलो आपको फॉर्मल सेटिंग में बोलना है, मतलब इंटरव्यू में बोलना है,
ओह
और
अच्छा।
हाय आपको फ्रेंड्स में बोलना है।
ओह गुड गुड।
यस, ठीक है। यस, मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान, आर यू अवेयर अबाउट इट? लाइक वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू यूज
Yes, yes,
हेलो
yes.
एंड हाय?
Hello, hello. If I want to test in front of every person, hello and
Yes.
hi friends.
No,
Hello,
yes,
I
yes.
speak.
So,
I can
like I
speak
am asking
with
about,
friends.
you will use hello for formal setting or
Mm,
informal setting?
for- Formal setting.
Yes,
Hello,
formal
formal
setting.
setting.
Yes, hello for formal setting. Like you can't say
Sorry.
hello, hi to the to the HR or any colleague.
फॉर फॉर एग्जांपल, हेलो, माय आई कम इन सर?
Yes, yes.
हाय।
So suppose you are going to meet your teacher in the office. So you will not say like hi. You have to say hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, may I come in, sir? And if you are meeting with your friends, hi, how are you? So you can use hi. Or also you can use hello, okay, with your friends. मतलब आप दोस्त को भी
Suffix,
इज्जत दे सकते हो।
suffix sir.
Yes.
Suppose that I will meet with our boss. I can say hello, and if I meet with my friend, I can say hi.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. You
Okay.
understand
Okay.
now.
Okay. 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 Yes. Yes.
यस, सो फ्रॉम योर एल्डर, लाइक जो बड़े हैं ना, उनको जिसको हम रिस्पेक्ट देना है उसको हेलो बोलोगे।
Hello.
हाँ, जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको हाय बोलोगे। ये पता था कि नहीं?
नो।
No. No. No.
ओके, सो यू लाइक एड इन योर नॉलेज, लाइक ओके। एंड एग्जाम्पल, ओके डन। एग्जाम्पल लाइक गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, हेलो माय नेम इज अली। सो ये एग्जाम्पल्स है कुछ कि कैसे आप गुड मॉर्निंग बोलने जा रहे हो, फिर हेलो बोलने जा रहे हो, ये एग्जाम्पल था। सो आपको नेम बताना है, सबसे पहले आपको नेम बताना है। देन कॉमन पैटर्न यही है, ठीक है, माई नेम इज शफीक। या फिर देखो आपको बोलना कैसे है माई नेम, वो उसके भी कुछ तरीके हैं। आप बोल सकते हो माई नेम इज शफीक, आई एम शफीक, आई एम शफीक, ठीक है। इसके अलावा आपको माई सेल्फ नहीं बोलना है, ठीक है, माई सेल्फ इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है। only you have to use these three sentences to just tell your name, like my name is Abdur Rahman Nur Muhammad, I am Nur Muhammad or Abdur Rahman, or I am Nur Muhammad or Abdur Rahman. Yes, examples like my name is Ahmad, I am Sabah, I am Raul. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कि किस तरह से आपको नाम बताना है। नाउ एज, लाइक एज इज ऑफन included in a self introduction, especially for students and children. It helps others know basic personal information, okay, common patterns. So how you have to tell your age, आपको अपना एज इसी तरह से बताना है, उसके अलावा किसी तरह से नहीं बताना है, गलत हो जाएगा। लाइक आई एम 25 years old, आई एम 20 years old, आई एम 20th और 12th 15th, ऐसे इस तरह से आपको एज बताना है अपना। अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम 29 years old. Examples like I am 11 years old, I am 13 years old, I am 8 years old. So you have to tell your name like this. Now let's talk about the place. Okay, a person can mention the place where he or she lives or comes from. मतलब प्लेस बताना है जहां आप रहते हो या जहां आप पैदा हुए हो, वो आप दोनों बता सकते हो कि मैं वहां का हूं और अभी मैं करंटली यहां रह रहा हूं, ठीक है। हाउ कॉमन पैटर्न्स लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, आई लिव इन लखनऊ, ठीक है, इस तरह से आप बोल सकते हो। आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, आई लिव इन लखनऊ, आई कम फ्रॉम बिहार, इस तरह से भी बोल सकते हो आई कम फ्रॉम। जो भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है आप एक दो सेंटेंस मतलब रख के उस तरह से बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट?
Hello,
Yes,
hello. I am getting.
Okay, so if you have any type of question just ask, okay, don't be quiet. So like how you will tell about yourself, like if you have to mention both the names, Mr. Nur Muhammad, suppose you have to mention both the place where you born and where are you living, so how you are going to tell? Yes,
I am speaking.
yes, you can speak.
I was born in Nepal. I am from Nepal. Now I am living in Lakshmi Avatar, Nepal. I am. I come from Varanasi.
Okay, yes, done. But one, yes, you speak well, but one mistake. I come from Varanasi, you can't say. आई कम फ्रॉम मतलब जो आपका बेसिक जो जगह है ना जहां पैदा हुए उसको ही बोलते हैं आई कम फ्रॉम।
Oh,
या तो
oh,
आप
okay, okay,
बोलो
okay,
कि
okay.
आई एम फ्रॉम या फिर बोलो आई कम फ्रॉम, ठीक है, वो सेम है। जैसे मैं कहूंगा कि आई एम फ्रॉम सिद्धार्थ नगर यूपी, बट करंटली आई एम लिविंग इन मुंबई, और करंटली आई लिव इन मुंबई, या आई कम फ्रॉम यूपी सिद्धार्थ नगर, वो बेसिक प्लेस ही को बताना है आई कम फ्रॉम, ठीक है। नाउ
Okay, okay,
एग्जांपल
okay.
लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम मुंबई, आई लिव इन पटना, आई कम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद।
Hyderabad.
Yes. School or work, like a student can tell about their class or schools, while older learners can mention their job or profession. Like जो students हैं वो अपना क्लास बता सकते हैं और जो जॉब करने वाले हैं वो अपना प्रोफेशन बता सकते हैं। For student, like I study in class 7, I am a student, I go to ABC school, all the things they can mention. Now let's talk about the family. So if you are going to give your introduction in a formal like setting in a company, so you don't have to tell about your family more, मतलब हमें अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बताना होता, ठीक है। आपको सबसे ज्यादा अपने बारे में ही बताना है वहां, अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट?
Yes, yes, yes. I am understanding.
ओके,
I am understanding.
ओके, नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड। सो फैमिली के बारे में हमको दूसरे सेटिंग्स में बताना है, जैसे कैजुअल सेटिंग में, जैसे कोई दोस्त पूछ रहा है या किसी फंक्शन में, वहां पे हमको फैमिली के बारे में और ये सब के बारे में बताना है, क्योंकि आपको सिचुएशन के हिसाब से सोचना पड़ेगा ना, कि अगर इफ यू आर गिविंग एन इंट्रोडक्शन इन ए कंपनी, सो द एचआर वांट्स टू नो अबाउट योरसेल्फ मोर एंड मोर। वो सिर्फ आपके फादर का नाम जानना चाहता है और आपके फादर क्या करते हैं उतना जानना चाहता है बस, और वो ये नहीं जानना चाहता कि आपकी मम्मी कौन है, आपकी मम्मी का क्या नाम है, आपकी मम्मी क्या करती है, आपके कितने भाई हैं, आपके कितने बहन हैं, ये सब के बारे में उसको नहीं जानना है। उसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके बारे में जानना है कि आप कौन हो, आपने क्या पढ़ाई करके रखी है, आपके पास सर्टिफिकेशंस क्या है, आपके पास स्किल्स क्या है। अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट?
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
Yes, I am
so we
understanding.
have to
I
give
am
our
getting.
introduction. Just see the situation, the place where I am introducing myself. Okay. So examples like I
Okay,
have,
okay.
yes. So this is for casual introduction. You have to include all these things. Now hobbies and interest. Yes, this is a important point for the introduction in company. Like hobbies help make the introduction more personal. They also how you interest and personality, how your interest and personality, ठीक है ना. कॉमन हॉबीज क्या क्या हो सकती है यहां पे हमने मेंशन किया है, ठीक है. Now you can see common hobbies like reading, writing, drawing, singing, dancing, playing cricket, gardening, or listening to music. So all these things are common hobbies. And examples like I like reading books. My hobby is drawing. I love playing cricket. I enjoy listening to music. So all these hobbies you can mention, but I will suggest what is your actual hobby. You have to mention that hobby. Okay. Likes and dislikes. So a self introduction may also include likes and dislikes. This makes the introduction more complete and natural. Examples like I like English. I like simple food. I do not like noise. I do not like untidy room. Untidy room क्या है, ठीक है. Now you can talk about the future plan. So we have
What do you mean untidy rooms?
yes वही
Safik sir,
मतलब सफा
what do
साफ
you
ना
mean
हो.
untidy rooms? Rooms.
Untidy rooms. Okay.
Huh? Untidy. What do you mean?
वही लापरवाह जो मतलब सफाई उफाई ना करता हो, लापरवाह.
Oh.
यस.
Careless.
गंदा. यस यू कैन से गंदा और केयरलेस, ठीक है.
Careless.
हाँ. Future goals. You can also mention the future goals like what you want to become. Like Mr. Noor Mohammed said, like I want to become a professor. Okay. And you want to become a businessman. So you can also tell your goal in professional setting. And formal and informal introduction. So there are some formal and informal introduction. You can see like formal introduction first used in school, interviews, and official places like good morning, my name is Riya Sharma, I am a student of class 8, I come from Lucknow, I am interested in science and I want to become a doctor. This is a formal introduction which is for school interviews and official places. Now, informal introduction used with friends and in casual conversations like hi, I am Riya, I am from Lucknow, I like reading and music. So this is informal where he use hi. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इनफॉर्मल है, जो अपने दोस्तों के साथ बताएंगे, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बताएंगे, ये सब, ठीक है. तो इनफॉर्मल. Now formal introduction are more polite and complete, while informal ones are shorter and more relaxed. How to speak introduction confident. Okay, so आपको बोलना कैसे वो भी यहाँ पे लिखा है टिप्स. सबसे पहले स्पीक स्लोली. आपको बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलना. यू डोंट हैव टू स्पीक वेरी फास्ट, यू हैव टू स्पीक वेरी स्लोली. यूज शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस. आपको शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस यूज करने, बहुत लंबे लंबे सेंटेंसेस नहीं यूज करने, ठीक है. और स्माइल पोलाइटली. आपको थोड़ा सा स्माइल करते हुए बोलना है, रिलैक्स होकर के बोलना है. स्टैंड स्ट्रेट. अगर आप मतलब खड़े हो तो स्ट्रेट ऐसे आप खड़े रहो, या फिर आप बैठे हो तो एकदम स्ट्रेट बैठ करके रिलैक्स होकर के आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देना. प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली. आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देने से एक दो दिन पहले आपको प्रैक्टिस भी करना. If you are going to practice before 1 or 2 times before the giving your introduction, so you are going to perform very well. So ये कुछ टिप्स हैं इंट्रोडक्शन के. 20 मॉडल इंट्रोडक्शन. यहाँ पे कुछ हमारे पास इंट्रोडक्शन है जो मतलब ऐसे ही हैं, शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, स्टूडेंट इंट्रोडक्शन, फैमिली एंड हॉबी इंट्रोडक्शन। तो सारी चीजें यहाँ पे हैं जो आप पढ़ सकते हो बाद में, ठीक है। नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस चैप्टर। कंप्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे है, देखो यहाँ पे एक कंप्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है, जिसमें सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है, अपना नाम ऐड कर देना है बस। कुछ कॉमन एरर्स भी हमारे पास हैं। अगर आप बोलते हो कि आई एम स्टूडेंट, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट, यू हैव टू से आई एम ए स्टूडेंट, ठीक है। एरर टू, रॉन्ग वर्ब लाइक माई नेम आर, नो, माई नेम इज, missing article like I am teacher, no, I am a teacher, you have to use a. So these are some errors which you can just read it, okay. And error correction भी यहाँ पे है कि I am a student, no, I am a student. My name are Ria, no, my name is Ria, you have to say like this. एंड नाउ वर्कशीट भी है हमारे पास कुछ, कि आपको इसको फिल करना है, ठीक है। जैसे माय नेम इज रिया, आई एम
Yeah.
ए स्टूडेंट,
Student.
आई एम फ्रॉम, कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हो, नेपाल, दिल्ली, मुंबई।
Nepal.
सो यहाँ पे भी कुछ हमारे पास सेंटेंसेस हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, ठीक है। इसको आप खुद से भी पढ़ करके प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो। सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, yes, yes. I am
Greetings, name,
understanding.
age, place. Yes, Mr. Nur Muhammad. What are you doing? Are you there?
Yes.
Are you there? I am asking, are you there? It means you are available in the meeting or not? It's
Hello.
done. Yes, this chapter we have
Yes.
completed this
Yes.
chapter. Okay.
Completed.
Yes. So now we completed this chapter, and now we are going to just see any news article so we can practice. Or what do you think? Like our today's topic will be the introduction. Whatever we learn in the chapter, let's take introduction. This will be our speaking topic. Today's speaking topic. Okay? Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, what do you think?
Yes.
This is a
Yes, yes. I am
this is a good
thinking.
topic or not? Just give, we have to introduce ourselves, because
Ourselves.
there will be one
Ourselves.
question, there will be one question related to the introduction in the test.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, so let's practice today, and tomorrow you can
Fine.
practice by yourself, so you can perform well in the test. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. So should I give introduction about me first? So who is going to introduce?
May I give you introduction first,
Yes,
brother?
you
Please
can
tell me.
introduce yourself first,
Yes,
but
yes, yes,
first
yes,
you have
yes.
to sit properly.
Yes,
You have to sit properly
yes, yes.
and be confident and give better introduction, impressive introduction,
Okay,
using the pointers,
okay, okay.
and act like you are giving your
Okay.
introduction in front of a HR. Mr. Nur Muhammad, you
First
can
of all,
mute
I
your
want
mic.
to Assalamu alaikum everyone person.
Walaikum salam.
Hello.
I am Abdurrahman. I am from Nepal. Now I am living in our village, Lakshmania, Rohtahat, Nepal,
Yes.
and we do I do work in our field. We grow paddy and wheat, etc. Overa, and we have there are 10 members in our family. We have 5 siblings, uh, in which there are 3 brothers and 2 sisters. My small brother is reading in Hethaura, Nepal, and I am working in our field now. And I want to like reading books and novel now.
Yes.
And my hobby is writing a letter and reading books and speaking. And I want to be good speaker English
Yes.
so that I can speak front of every persons. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Yes.
This much,
Great. Done.
this much, this much only. Thank you so much, my Safik.
Okay, thank you. So you spoke very well now this time. It was amazing introduction. Yes. So like you have given your introduction 3 or 4 times. So it was amazing, fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So you have to just sit properly, okay? Like you sit properly and you are confident. You are speaking with relaxation. We don't have to be in hurry. Just be relaxed. Speak
Okay.
small sentences because we are learning. Yes, Mr. Noor Mohammed, you can start speaking. Just introduce yourself.
पॉइंट्स अगर भूल जाए तो बता दीजिएगा.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Uh, Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Noor Mohammed. Uh, I am old, 25 years. I am from Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Uh, I am which class? MA first year. My hobbies is cricket and table tennis. Uh, I like tea and coffee, and dislike and smoking and drink. Uh, oh, sorry, my family छूट गई थी.
फैमिली छूट गई कोई नहीं, वो पॉइंट्स आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं, आपको उसमें रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है।
My
हाँ।
family, my family and joint family. Uh, so my siblings, 6 person. My father's name Wali Ahmed, and thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Great. So it was good, but we have to just keep the pointers in our mind. Okay. So it will be more good. अभी इसको हम और अच्छा बना
Yes, yes.
सकते हैं. सो क्या करना है, हमें पॉइंट्स को माइंड में रखना है, और वो माइंड में कैसे आएगा, लिख करके, ठीक है।
लिख करके.
हाँ, इफ
Good.
यू विल राइट फ्रॉम द पीडीएफ इन योर नोटबुक, then these points will come in your mind like, okay, so these are the points and I have to prepare my interview, my introduction like this. Okay. Yes. So
Yes.
it was great and amazing. So tomorrow is off. Now listen. Hello. So
Yes, yes.
on Monday there will be one test of 30 questions MCQ test and 20 marks, one video to give your introduction. Okay. So we will
Yes.
conduct one test and we are going to award the top performer. So I think there are two students missing in the class. So I will inform them in the group. So just prepare yourself, Mr. Abdurrahman. Yes, Nur Muhammad. So you have to prepare for the chapter 1 and chapter
Yes.
2. ठीक है? For the test.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
chapter 1 and chapter 2.
Yes.
So if you have any type of question, you can ask. Do you have any question? Yes or not?
Not. I have no question.
Okay. So yes, done for today's class. So I think now
Okay.
we can close the class and we will meet on Monday.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
assalamu alaikum. Good
Okay.
evening. Keep
Inshallah.
Yes.
learning. Keep growing.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
And you, best of luck.
Yes.
May Allah keep you the safety of all disease in the world. Amin.
Amin.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum assalam.